Season 2 of the vlog is here. Yo guys, AKAJK here, back again making another YouTube video, and today we are starting season 2 of the vlog, and this is going to be the first episode, and this is going to be mainly a sort of a haul of everything that we got from the UK in the sort of last 20 episodes of the season 1 vlogs. So if you haven't checked those vlogs out, you can go check them out right now, but this is just going to be a complete haul. But obviously I need to do some things because we just came from the UK, and then you'll sort of get to the actual haul part. Okay, this definitely means we cannot have a shower in here because it's bloody leaking. So I guess I'll head off to my sister's bathroom and hope she doesn't get annoyed. I'm now freshened up, but all I need to do is sort out this messy hair. I just woke up after 5 hours of sleep because you know how we had all the London flight and stuff like that, so we spent many hours on the plane, so it was like too much. Couldn't really sleep while that kind of time, so I slept here 5 hours, and now I'm gonna go off, do some stuff, maybe sort of finish up with this haul, because what I did in the beginning was start finding stuff from the bags that were mine so I can put them in the haul, and then I went to sleep because I got tired. So now like we have a housemaid, and she took some of the stuff out, so yeah, that's helpful. We can put it in, and anything else I'll try and put that in, and then we have the entire haul, which I'll do for you pretty soon. Right, so everything from the bags that I remember, and I just went through the last bags, has been brought to my room so we can do the whole video, or the whole part of the video. So guys, let's get into the haul. Fam, that is everything, but I mean, it doesn't look nice right now and it won't make for a good thumbnail, so what the hell is this doing here? Now we can actually start. Oh my god, that took ages. But that is nearly everything. You see there's a Deadpool shirt there. There's another sort of film shirt that I need to go and find. And then, that would be everything. Okay, after ages of looking, I found it in my closet. So like, I went over the entire house, and then I just found it in my closet. You know how amazing that is? Okay, now this is the entire thing. Looks pretty dope, so we're going to go over every single thing in there, which means now I have to destroy this entire thing that I spent the last half an hour creating, which is really depressing. So I just finished setting up that entire thing, and now I'm pretty exhausted. I spent like 45 minutes on that thing in total. So now I'm going to just chill for a little bit, get some coffee, and then I'll go back to doing everything in the haul because it's just too much to do. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, and let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see in the next season 2 vlogs. So yeah, do you want me to add more hype into the videos, so like I'm speaking like this, because I'm less likely to have some sort of heart attack during the video, and that is good. good for me, being less likely to have a heart attack. So yeah, I'm gonna watch some videos, have some coffee, and then we'll get back to the haul.
Is at least once a week, and YouTube favors recency.
Okay, I mean, this guy, I watch him quite a bit. He's a pretty good, like, YouTuber who gives you tips on YouTube, so I'd highly recommend him, and I've been watching him for a couple of years now, so yeah, check out Sean on Think Media. I'll leave a link in the description or something like that below. I can finally have a good coffee. I mean, I haven't had a good coffee in several days, so yeah, I'm just saying that, putting that out there, probably like 3 days. Am I over exaggerating my life with the amount of coffee that I should be having every week? I think I am. Like, most people don't have the amount of coffee that I have. But anyway, I like coffee, and the coffee in the plains aren't really that good. So yeah, I'm just putting that out there. Okay. Okay, I'm now ready to complete the ritual where I go over everything that's here. So we're going to start from this side to this side, just because this side is sort of easier to pick from and I don't have to walk all the way over there to ICBA. So yeah, let's start with that blue-black ball. So the first thing, as you can see pretty clearly in front of you, is a pop shield, and I got this off Amazon. You can see in one of the vlogs, obviously all the vlogs in the card above. It was one of the season 1 vlogs in the UK. So I got this for my microphone, which I got also in one of those vlogs. And I'll have the unboxing, first impression and setup video coming out pretty soon on the channel, so yeah. But anyway, this is just for that. It's a USB condenser microphone, so it's just to make the audio sound better and take out all the crackles. This is the Sidemen book, and I got it because I'm a Sidemen fan. I enjoy watching their videos, and it was like 70% off. It used to be very expensive, 70%, and a 70% off on an expensive thing is something I just can't sort of put off. So I went out. So I went out and bought it, and yeah, so yeah, I finished reading it, and I might give my thoughts on it in a different vlog on the season 2 of the vlogs, because season 2 is lit, y'all. Then we have this notebook with this sort of rainbow lining. You have it on the side and on the front. When you open it, it's just regular pages, but these are sort of lined. It's got this sort of soft thing for the cover, and I'm just going to use this for notes. I like how it's just very sort of simple and plain on the top, and inside it's just some lined pages, and looks pretty nice on the sides with the rainbow colour. Might use it for video planning and stuff like that. It's just a pretty neat notebook. Then the other notebook that I got is the periodic table of elements notebook, so it just has the periodic table at the top, and then that, and then just all lined pages. So I'm going to use this for schoolwork, probably science, because it's got the periodic table on it, so I can cheat when I'm doing work. Why would you not want to do that? Then we have the Lego Batman Official Annual 2018. I know it says 7+, but I didn't buy it for the actual annual. You know, I don't really care about the pages. Probably go through them a little bit, but it has the Penguin minifigure, which I do not have, and I'm a Lego fan, so it's a good minifigure to get. Pretty cool one. And it comes like 70% off when you buy it with some other things in the HMV store. So I did buy some other things, which I'll show you later. HMV is also a film movie store, you know, in the UK. It's in one of the vlogs as well. You can go check it out. So this was one of the things that I did get from the HMV store, and there was an offer. So you get like 2 film T-shirts for £20, which is like maybe 25 bucks. So I got a Deadpool one. I do like Deadpool. I'm a pretty huge Deadpool fan. And it says, "Who, me?" And then obviously Deadpool and all that. Pretty dark grey, kind of charcoaly shirt. And then I do have another film shirt with it. This is that other film shirt, and it is a Walking Dead shirt. I'm not a Walking Dead fan or anything. I've never watched it, but obviously I do know it's pretty famous. And I do like the black and red color scheme where you have Walking Dead in red and the zombies around it. Just make it look pretty cool. So just as a nice, it looks like a really nice shirt. If I didn't get this, there was this Groot one that I would have got, but the Groot one looks a little bit more boring and less vibrant than this. So yeah, the AMC Walking Dead, pretty cool shirt. Then we have a product which I believe is the final thing I bought from HMV, which is another one of those 7+ Lego sort of magazine book things. And I didn't buy it for the book thing. I went through that with my little sister, but I bought it for the minifigure. It's not a very rare minifigure or anything. I just don't have the Lego Superman minifigure, and I've been wanting to get it. So yeah, got in this. It was very cheap, so it's just an easy sort of catch for this good minifigure. Or, a minifigure which I don't have. This was like 50 cents or 30p in Toys R Us. So while I was at the counter buying some other stuff, I was like, well, let's pick this up. It's like 50 cents. It's not going to do anything wrong. It's a pretty useless thing. It just gives you some collector cards. Yeah, it was 50 cents. I don't know why I bought it, but yeah. Also, everything that you see in this video should be linked in the description down below, unless I can't find it. Then this is the first of the many Family Guy DVDs that I got. So this is Family Guy Season 1, and it is the full season. I am a Family Guy fan. The full Season 6, so yeah, that looks pretty cool. Then we have Stewie Griffin, The Untold Story, which is like one of those short Family Guy movies. Another short Family Guy movie is Family Guy, Happy Freaking Christmas. This is a more sort of child-friendly one because it's just 12+, the other ones are 15+. But yeah, it's one of those like 45-minute sort of runtime films. Then we have the Lego Marvel Superheroes Infinity War Outrider Dropship Attack. I wanted to get this set for a while. I'm an extremely Marvel fanboy, and Infinity War's coming up. I've been waiting for that for ages, as most of you guys should know. And this was a good set because it just came with some good minifigures. Like, the set was not something amazing, but it came with Captain America and Black Widow and 2 Outriders. The Outriders are pretty cool figures, and it's like £12, $15, something like that. So it's a really good sort of bargain buy. You get some good minifigures in it. This is the microphone I was talking about. It's the Neewer NW700 USB condenser mic. It's still in this sort of packaging, cardboard box kind of thing. I'll make a review on this, and the unboxing, the first impression, should be out soon, and then maybe the following week I'll have the review on it. So yeah, I picked this up for around $50 on Amazon, and I'm hoping it should improve the audio of my videos. So yeah. How can you not want this Oops rubber? It is pretty massive. It says Oops on it, and it has this font. Can't tell me you don't want that. Right, so this is a pair of shoes by Lonsdale. I decided to pick it up with 70% off. It was originally like £80 and now it's like £20. So why would you not want to pick it up? It's like a sick pair of shoes, black and blue. It's got the high thing, which I've been looking for. Another pair of shoes with that sort of high look to it. But yeah, obviously there are two, so it's because it's a pair. I'm just showing one because it just looks better in the frame. I was looking for a more classy kind of bag over the super dry bag that I used, that one. So I decided, I went to Selfridges in London and I looked at a bunch of Herschel bags because they look pretty classy and cool. I decided to pick this one up. It's got like the brown leather kind of thing at the bottom and then a dark blue navy at the top. It looks pretty cool, and I'll start using it pretty much daily now and sort of using the super dry bag less. So this 42nd Street sort of booklet is something that we picked up when we went to watch 42nd Street a few days ago. You can check that out on one of the vlogs. I did enjoy the show. I put my thoughts of that in that vlog. So this was £5 and we got it. It shows like what's going to happen in the show, the casting and stuff like that, how it was made, all in this booklet. So yeah, we got it and picked it up. This was the thing that I was picking up at Toys R Us, when I said I went to pick that. When I got the catalogue, when I got the collector's album, I said I was picking something up. This was the main thing I was picking up. The Rhino Face Off by the Mind Black Panther set. I do not have any Black Panther minifigures, so I decided to get one of the Black Panther sets. Obviously I'm a Marvel fan, Lego fan. Two things, put them together. Black Panther's pretty dope superhero. So yeah, I got that set. Probably build it in maybe tomorrow's episode of the vlog. Who knows? So yeah, that was pretty good. Last but certainly not least is the Silver Surfer comic. I mean, there's 4 comics in one. It has Silver Surfer, Black Panther vs. Claw, The Champions Battle of the Freelancers, and Doctor Strange vs. an Alien Threat. I only finished the Silver Surfer because I read it during the sort of last days in the UK, but the other ones I'll start reading. The Silver Surfer part was pretty cool. So yeah, I enjoyed it, and I want to start reading some Marvel comics because I'm a Marvel film fan, but I haven't been really reading comics, so I'll try them and I'll give you my thoughts of them later on. Okay, that is the end of the haul, so that is everything that I did pick up from England, just for myself. My sister did pick up a few things, my mum picked up some things, my dad, whatever, but that is not relevant for sort of what you want to see. You want to see what I picked up. That is sort of what the video is about. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog, and I'm going to end it here because I'm pretty tired and exhausted with all this kind of stuff, and I'm going to go and do some work on the Welsh Scholars Cup thing, which I talked to you about in a different vlog, and I will go and contemplate what I'm going to do for tomorrow's episode of Season 2 vlogs. I hope you guys are hyped for what is to come in Season 2. Also, I'm thinking of opening a new merch store because the old one was sort of unsuccessful, so I'll make some pretty dope fresh merch designs, and that might be coming up in the next couple of months or so. So stay tuned on the channel, subscribe to notifications and like. I'll see you guys in the next video.